welcome back, Nail Queens. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to remove dip powder and full coverage tip extensions. So I have a dip powder and full coverage tips on right now, and I'm going to show you all the things you need to get started. So the first thing you're going to need is some type of bowl and hot water, 100% pure acetone, paper towels, and a scraper tool. So the first thing you're going to need to do is put hot water in a bowl. I have a soak off bowl right here, but if you don't have this, use just a bowl of hot water and a Ziploc bag. This has a little plastic insert on top, and it has 5 wells for you to put your fingers here and pour the acetone in. The acetone I'm going to be using is 100% non-whitening acetone from Revel Nail. I absolutely love this acetone. It's gentle and it doesn't dry out my hands unlike other acetones that I've used in the past. So I'm going to fill all 5 wells to a generous level so that it covers my fingernails when I am soaking off. If you have a gel top coat on your nails like I do, you definitely want to buff off the shine or file it off. So if you have a buffer or a hand file, just make sure you buff off the shine because a gel top coat may cause it to take longer to soak off in the acetone. So once it's all buffed off, I'm going to pull over my bowl and I'm going to put my fingers in the acetone and wait about 5 minutes to let the acetone really penetrate and break down the dip powder that I have on my nails. 5 minutes have passed, then I take my hand out of the acetone and I'm going to check it and help scrape off any softened dip powder. I'm using this scraper tool to help remove any softened dip powder that may be here on the surface until it's no longer scraping off. Using the scraper tool is not necessary. You can totally leave your hands in the acetone 15 to 30 minutes if you want, and most of it will just naturally dissolve on its own, but I like helping speed up the process by using a scraper tool like this and removing any excess gunk. Also, since I have nail extensions on, there's no reason for me to soak off the free edge, the tips, so in order to aid this along and make it go faster, all I have to do is clip off the free edge of my tip extensions. So you don't actually have to soak off the excess. So I forgot to do that on my left hand here, so I'm going to go ahead and clip those off now because there's no reason for me to soak that off when I can just clip it off. Now I'm going to do another soak for another 5 minutes and I'll come back and check it. So you can see here that a lot more of the dip powder is soaking off. You can see the clear layer down underneath there where my extensions are at. So if you want, you can continue soaking, or you can do what I prefer to do, and it's scrape off the excess dip powder. So once all of the gunky parts are pretty much scraped off, you can take a hand file and just help file things down, or you can continue soaking. It's optional. You don't have to hand file anything off. But since I have glitter on 3 of my nails, I really want to push this process along and just help the process go faster. So I am just gently taking a file and helping. I don't know if you've ever put a glitter nail polish on your toes before, but that stuff will never come off for some reason. So I did another 5-minute soak and then ta-da, everything came off just like that. It does take time and patience, and depending on how many layers you have on your nails and how thick your tips are, it may take a little longer than 15 minutes. You may be here for 30 minutes, who knows? Also, just a little tip, do not pour your acetone down the drain. It will ruin your pipes. Let this evaporate and you will be good. All right, so I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any favorite removal processes, let me know down in the description box below. And if I haven't tried it, I'll definitely go ahead and give it a go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.